everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to see comments on YouTube. Whether you want to revisit videos, edit or delete your comments, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First of all, open your YouTube app on your mobile. Then tap on your profile icon in the right corner. Then select the settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Manage All History. In the Manage All History section, tap Interactions at the top. Scroll down and select Comments and Replies. Now you will see a list of every comment you have made on YouTube with this account. From here, you can watch the video or delete a comment. If you want to watch the video, tap on the video link to the comment. If you want to delete a comment, tap the cross icon above the video. And that's how you can see comments on YouTube. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.